To connect your Porkbun domain to your Framer website, follow these steps. Log into your Porkbun account. Go to the Porkbun website and sign in with your credentials. From the dashboard, select the domain you want to connect to Framer. Access domain settings. In the domain management area, find your domain and click on Manage Domain. Scroll down to the DNS settings section. Get Framer's DNS information. In Framer, go to your project settings and find a section for connecting a custom domain. Framer will provide you with a CNAME and a record to link your domain to the website. Update DNS records in Porkbun. In the DNS settings of Porkbun, add the provided a record or CNAME record that points to Framer servers. For a CNAME record, enter the name provided by Framer, and for the a record, input the IP address given. Ensure TTL is set to the lowest value for quicker DNS propagation. Verify connection in Framer. Go back to your Framer dashboard where you were setting up the custom domain and click on Verify. Once verified, your Porkbun domain should now point to your Framer website.